prophet. Now, we want to see that hadith. Is that a fair question? Is that a fair question? We want to see that hadith.
Sunnis believe that when the Messiah comes, he will be a prophet. As Muhammad ﷺ said, there is no prophet between me and the Messiah.
You understand English, right?
You believe that the Messiah, when he comes,
why are you grinning? Why are you grinning?
I'm not grinning, I'm making up stuff.
Does he have a grin on his face? Does he have a grin on his face?
Of course he does.
Okay. My question, where is that hadith? I'm asking all the Qadianis in the world.
I told you where it is. Read the research and you'll find it.
Where is that hadith?
It's there.
I've been looking for the last 7-8 months. I've been asking all the Qadianis of the world, in Canada, in Britain, in America,
India.
okay, those who are relatively more educated, I'm asking all of them, where is this hadith? Mirza, your prophet claimed that prophet said this. Where? Where? And people who are more learned, don't look, man. They've been looking for the last 7 months. Stop wasting your time and everyone else's time. He's pretending now he's going to do some research and pull something out. Okay, they couldn't pull out for the last 7 months. We've been taunting them for the last 7 months. Where is the hadith? This is one of the lies, by the way. We have a long list of Mirza's lies. Mirza was one of the... Hatun's clone is back.
Yeah, clone.
Okay. Right? So,
Okay, so Sahih Muslim.
say Muslim.
كتاب الفتنة والعشرة الصحاح.
What language is that?
Hadith 2837.
What you just said there.
Okay,
What
say-
language was that?
Sahih Muslim, Hadith 2837.
What does it say? Read. In English. Don't worry about Arabic. Don't try.
The Holy Prophet, peace and blessing of Allah be upon him, said, Allah will send Jesus, son of Mary, and he will descend near the white mineral
Was that my question?
east of Damascus.
Was that my question?
11.
He's showing me that east of Damascus and Persia and this and that, all of those things. I'm asking him, all of these things are irrelevant if Mirza was a liar. If Mirza was a liar, all of these things are irrelevant. And, okay, fine. Okay, show me. I want to know. Show me that hadith where the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said that there will be a prophet from India, black-skinned, and his name will be Kahin. In other words, Kanhaiya or Christian. Show me that hadith.
So Prophet Muhammad said, the tomb of Jesus.
This one is useless.
Jesus is
Useless.
I want everyone to know this. Look, these people are brainwashed. They cannot reason with you. They're not trained to reason. They're not taught to reason, and they're not conditioned to listen to reason. I'm reasoning. I'm trying to reason. He's a perfectly good-looking guy. Looks intelligent as well. Yeah.
Who is Krishna Kanaya? Who is Krishna Kanaya?
I don't know. I don't believe
The
it.
movie, isn't it?
You don't know who Krishna
That's
Kanaya is?
irrelevant. Who the person is irrelevant. Show me the hadith. Mirza claimed, your prophet claimed that the Prophet Muhammad said this. Sallallahu alaihi wasallam. That I've been saying it for the last 10 minutes, right? I'm going to repeat it.
No,
for
because you
you.
say
He
Krishna
said,
Kanaya. Who is Krishna Kanaya?
Mirza claims that Prophet Muhammad said that there is a prophet from India. Okay? Black skin. His name is Kahin. And then Mirza explains Kanhaiya, Krishna. Where is that hadith?
Yeah, Krishna.
Okay, Krishna, fine. Where is that hadith? Where is that hadith?
Let me tell you.
Yeah.
The fourth Khalifa, Hazrat bin Ahmad, when he was asked regarding who Krishna Kanaya is, he answered saying that Krishna Kanaya was a prophet.
Mirza Tahir. You're talking about Mirza Tahir, yeah? Mirza Tahir was not Muhammad Rasulullah.
No, but he's a
I'm
true
asking
Khalifa.
where did Muhammad Rasulullah say this? I'm not asking where Mirza Tahir said it or what he said. I'm not. If Mirza Qadiani, Ghulam Ahmad Qadiani is a liar, who the hell is Mirza Tahir? Who the hell is he? He is more of a liar, following a liar. I'm asking you, Mirza, your prophet
I
claimed.
am telling you, Krishna Kanaya was a prophet.
Okay, you're telling me that.
This
Fine,
is why
fine.
the Hindus have taken him as God.
That's your opinion. I respect your
No,
opinion.
it's not opinion,
This
it's
is
truth.
Okay, truth, no problem. Show me where our prophet, our beloved prophet Muhammad Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam said that.
Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam did not say it, but we find
You just made Mirza liar there.
how.
Because you said Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam didn't say it.
I don't know
But
if he did.
Mirza, no, no.
I don't know if Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam has or not said it.
If the Prophet didn't say it, then Mirza is a liar. That's my point.
I don't know if Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam.
Ashhadu an la ilaha illallah.
I know.
أشهد أن لا إله سي أشهد أن لا إله
Shahada. You just said Mirza is a liar. But you said the Prophet didn't say it.
I don't know if he did or not, but we find that.
But Mirza, your Prophet is claiming he did.
Where?
You don't know the reference. If I okay, good. I'm gonna show him the reference. To be fair, if I show you the reference in black and white,
He's in English.
Urdu and English, okay, in black and white, if I show it to you, and then if it's not there in the hadith literature, the entire hadith literature,
You do
if it's
shahada.
not there, if it's not there, then
Shahada.
Mirza is a liar. Yes or no? Yeah.
If Hazrat
You're taking shahada. Aaj kalma padhoge?
If Hazrat Mirza Ghulam Ahmad did say it, then that means that there is a hadith that does say it.
Okay, good.
But-
Fine.
but if- yeah,
But I'm saying, look, mera claim suno. I'm saying,
But Hazrat Mirza Ghulam
I'm
Ahmad
saying,
is not a
if
liar,
you
bro.
can find that statement attributed to the Prophet in Sahih Hadith, in Hasan, in Da'if, in Mawdu'.
You as well.
Mawdu is lies, fabrications. Even find me a fabrication from any Islamic
From
literature,
Israel.
okay, where an attribution is made to the Prophet Muhammad, claiming that he said there is an Indian prophet, black skin, his name is Kahin, Kanhaiya or Christian. This is an Indian
Mess.
propaganda. This is an Indian propaganda, right? This is someone who's trying to make an Indian god, Indian deity a prophet. Okay, this is not an Arabian prophet speaking. This is an Indian prophet speaking, which is what he was, a false, a lying prophet. So if you cannot find such a report attributed to the prophet, then Mirza is a liar. Do you accept that?
Hazrat Ghulam Ahmad is not a liar.
Yeah.
Man, prove
Follow my
it.
logic. If we cannot find that report anywhere in the world attributed to the Prophet in any book of Islam or Muslims, even fabrications, then Mirza is a liar, right?
There is no way that we can find that Jesus has not died and he's gonna.
Clearly, this one is not working.
His heart
This
is
one is
still.
not
So
working.
that means you're a liar.
Next question.